Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to tell you the background of our argument. There is the background of corporal punishment. Corporal punishment is a punishment that prevails for junior high school and senior high school students, especially for more serious rule offenders. It will not be abused in education system, but it is the last way to dismantle their bad personality into a good personality with physical punishment, with the purpose to change and to make them feel plentiful and improve their mentality. The first country in the world that prohibited the corporal punishment was Poland in 1783. We should bring back corporal punishment to school because, as we know, today there are many tremendous juvenile cases such as like free sex, the consumer and distributor of drugs, and so on, that mostly involve the junior high school and senior high school students, because those cases are happens because first their school's rules is too soft and not make them feel plentiful, and the second one, the rule of their school is not too harsh and make them mandatory the rules, but they are dismissive the rules. Both of the reasons support them to at most disobey the rules and do anything arbitrary without thinking rationally, and then they are being the weak. In fact, we can see nowadays there are many juvenile cases such as like free sex, the consumer and distributor of drugs, and they are being disrespectful to the men that older than them, and being lazy and so on. And we can see the juvenile cases is as a nuisance to the developing progress of our country. So and then the public will think and degrade the quality of our country, became low because in our country there is always tremendous juvenile cases, and even though the government has tried to make an excellent rules to make them feel plentiful, but it haven't been solved. So we reckon that corporal punishment is a better solution. That's all from me. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We have some reasons why we should stay in this motion, and I will tell you the first reason of ours why we should stay in this motion. Our first reason is, as what we see right now, there are so many juvenile cases that met by our students. It's happening in everywhere, and it can create a bad issues about our country, and it also can hamper the development of our country. Why? Because as what I said before, it has been happening in everywhere, and juvenile cases and crimes has been ingrained in their self, and inside the juvenile cases itself, it is contained a harsh and a bad action. And surely the juvenile cases that happen on public will be spread on media in a brief. Through the media, the other country can be easily know about the fact of our students, and they will think that our quality is very bad. They will degrade us, and there's a possibility for them to exaggerate the news, and the other country will think that our country is very bad in their perception. They even can accuse our government that the government doesn't take a responsibility very well against our students as the generation who will lead the nation. Therefore, it can create a bad issues about our country. And not only that, but it is also can hamper the development of our country. Why? Because the government who rule the nation are hard to take care of the students itself. And then the students right now, as what we see, they dismiss the teacher, dismiss the parents, and so on, and they even sometimes rebut their parents. And you know, the attitude of our students right now is getting worse. So that's why we should bring back corporal punishment to school as the solution of this problem. And you know, the juvenile cases itself, it can exacerbate the condition of this country. Because how do this country will be developed if the students cannot live in peace? I mean, in here is the students is always involved in brawl, always make a juvenile crimes and so on. And how this country will be developed if the government are hard to take control of the students, and the students is always disobey the rules. And then you know, some countries that consent corporal punishment are having a conducive condition, such as Singapore. Singapore has consent corporal punishment in some schools. And then you know, they do like caning, slapping, and so on. Especially they prevail it for the hard offender of rule. And then you know, not only that, but it's also following by the educational advices. And do you know what's the result? The result is the attitude of their students is getting better and better day by day. So that's why we decided that we should bring back corporal punishment to school. Okay, I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Aswan Ahmad. I'm here to tell you about my argument. That's the title is Corporal punishment should be prevail in schools. Corporal punishment is a punishment to make the student mandatory rules. As what my friend said before, that many tremendous juvenile cases is easily found in our country, and that's mostly involved by junior high schools and senior high school students. Students are very vigorously with something new. If they got something new or anything, they will try it, such as drugs, and if they feel good with it, they will do it again. This happens because the students is not fully scrutinized on the parents, teachers, and school rules. This case has been an outstanding case that the government is very working on it, but the government cannot control all of the students in Indonesia. Many students of Indonesia has been the drug consumers, and they are patronized in one person that's called distributors. This makes some nuisance in the public because some students that consume drugs, they are very harsh to the other students or to the other persons. And as the generation of this nation, the student must be very utmost on their study, not on their drugs or not in the drugs. Some of testimony from the older men that's ever consumed drugs, they are very regret for what they do in the past and for why they choose drugs in schools. This could not happen in our generation, because if this happens, our Indonesia will be very in low conditions. Because of this, the government should prevail the corporal punishment in schools. So this corporal punishment will prevail as the last way to make the students is plentiful rise of the mistakes and can change the bad attitude into good attitude. I think this day, thank you very much. If there are some mistakes, I'm sorry.